Are you tired of sending out resumes to follow-up emails, but you never hear back? Are you stuck in your job search and feeling like nothing is working? If so, it's time to focus on networking. You'll be surprised to hear that up to 85% of job opportunities are filled through networking. I want to show you how to create an amazing network that will help you stand out from the crowd and land you your perfect job. As a job search strategist and executive recruiter, and someone who has spent countless hours researching and studying the ins and outs of successful job searching, I can confidently say that networking is crucial. This means that if you're not putting yourself out there and making connections, you could be missing out on a significant number of job opportunities. It's not just about who you know, but who they know as well. Networking can be a game changer in any industry, and having a variety of tactics under your belt can help you stand out from the crowd. However, networking, I know, can be incredibly intimidating for many people. You conjure up images of old men in suits passing around business cards. If you have that vision, it doesn't sound like fun to anyone. So, before we get into networking strategies, I want you to change the word networking to meeting people. Yeah, that's all networking is. It's just meeting people. Meeting, talking, just getting to know each other. And this can take place anywhere. A network meeting, a conference, a coffee shop, or even a cruise. I met some really great people on the last cruise I was on. Shout out to Pontus, Carrie, Daniel, and Michelle. I want to share with you 3 effective ways to make networking easier for you and help you in finding job opportunities. And stay until the end of this video for an expert job search strategy that will make you stand above all other candidates so you land that dream job you so desire. But first, I'm Ilene Rein. I'm an executive recruiter and a job search strategist for over a decade. I've helped thousands of job seekers land their dream jobs by sharing insider secrets from the view of the recruiter. As a job search strategist, I specialize in teaching ambitious job seekers how to speed up their job search, land jobs that truly inspire them, and earn the income they so richly deserve. You're here today because you want to learn how to land your dream job. I create new training videos like this every single week. If you'd like to get exclusive access to insider tips and job search strategies before anyone else, now's the perfect time to subscribe and receive alerts when I post new content. Let's get back to effective networking strategies to help you land your next job opportunity. First, I encourage you to connect with your alumni association. Many colleges and universities have alumni networks that can be a great resource for job seekers. Reach out to fellow alumni and attend networking events hosted by your alma mater. This can lead to potential job leads and connections in your desired industry. The second networking strategy I want to share with you is to attend industry events. Attending conferences, workshops, and seminars related to your desired industry can help you connect with professionals in your field. This can also be a great opportunity to learn about job opportunities and stay updated on industry trends. And there will be people and employers who come to these events specifically looking for people just like you. You might run into some past colleagues or managers who would be thrilled to see you and know that you're out there searching for a new career opportunity. The third strategy I want to share with you is that in addition to traditional networking, take advantage of online platforms such as LinkedIn and Twitter to connect with professionals in your desired industry. Join groups and participate in discussions to make new connections and showcase your expertise. You never know who you might meet online, and that could lead to a job opportunity. I want to share one more expert job searching strategy with you, which is extremely important and most job seekers tend to neglect, so hang tight. If any of this resonates with you, I want you to go to my website. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com, and there you'll be able to gain access to my free job search on-demand workshop that will show you a genius strategic plan on how to attack the job market. You can watch it immediately, so you don't have to waste a moment of time in your search for a new career opportunity. Now, for the super secret networking strategy I promised. Are you ready? Here it is. Volunteering. Yes, you heard that right. Volunteering can be an excellent way to network and make new connections while giving back to your community. Volunteering also gives you an opportunity to learn and practice new skills and/or build your portfolio. You may even come across potential job opportunities through your volunteer work, or meet professionals in your field who can offer valuable insights and advice. Again, you never know who you're going to meet. So, don't underestimate the power of volunteer work in your job search strategy. Remember, networking is not just about asking for job leads. It's also about building genuine connections and learning from others in your field. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new networking strategies. You never know where they may lead you in your job search journey. So, utilize these strategies and don't give up on your job search. The perfect opportunity may be just around the corner. Keep networking, stay positive, and continue to refine your job search strategy for success. Ultimately, perseverance and determination are key in landing the perfect job. So, keep these strategies in mind and stay focused on reaching your goals. And while what I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your next career opportunity. So, again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on Inside Secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com. And if you really want to turbocharge your job search, grab time on my calendar. It's at gethired.careers. So we can talk about your job search and how my foolproof job-getting, career-building system, Pounding Pavement 101, can show you how to land your dream job as it has for thousands of other job seekers just like you. My name is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.